The University of Sheffield is a very big research and teaching university, and we make a distinct point about being here to make a difference. So our relationship with Siemens at the moment is very valuable to us. Siemens are for us a fantastic place where we can get connections to real manufacturing, real operations, and the work we do can make a difference. Being a formal partner with Siemens does a couple of things. It signposts. It signposts within Siemens that we have a rich and deep relationship, and it signposts within the university that that's the case. But it's also a great way of us explaining to the world that we're not a narrow academic activity. We want to work with industry in the UK and indeed around the world.
It's really important that the University of Sheffield partners with companies such as Siemens, because although we're a world-leading centre for research and innovation, we need the guidance and support that a company such as Siemens can provide to take that innovation and develop it, nurture it to something that we can take to the marketplace that benefits not only the university and Siemens, but the region and the country as a whole.
My role as executive sponsor for the University of Sheffield is to look to strengthen the ties that already exist very well between Siemens and Sheffield itself. Another part is to try and see where we can build new collaborative partnerships between different sectors of the business within Siemens itself and with Sheffield that haven't been really kicked off so far already. The final part is to show commitment to the University of Sheffield, which since 2012 has been a principal partner university.
If we can identify the opportunities and make the connections between industry and the academics, it's got to be a good thing for both parties.
Yeah, and just simply get people talking together as a starting point, and see where those technical relationships can go.
So the Sheffield Siemens Wind Power Research Centre was initially set up to improve the Siemens wind power expertise in direct drive generators. They identified University of Sheffield for its 20 plus years expertise in permanent magnet motor and generator design. So the benefits of the partnership is that we have direct access to the research and the academics, and this already helps to rapidly improve our knowledge of direct drive generators.
Rail Systems is a part of mobility, and two other parts of the business within mobility are rail automation and traffic. We've been working with Sheffield University talking about a modelling capability and whether or not we can simulate people moving through the transport system. That's a benefit to us because it enables us to see how things will change in the future and see how people will interact with transport in the future, and obviously it's a benefit to us to work with Sheffield because it's blue sky thinking, it's things that we don't have internally.
We're bringing together industry experts, academics, backed by government to really focus on innovative products for reconfigurable manufacturing. We're here to develop the understanding, adoption and deployment of them throughout UK industry. We're looking at augmented reality, taking information from the CAD system and displaying it on parts like a wing. And 3D printing is changing the world in terms of the ability to prototype much quicker than we've been able to in the past.
The engineering employability team, a large chunk of their job is to actually work with the employers, including Siemens, to get them on campus and to get them to the students that they are finding it difficult to target or that they would like to talk to in general. So whether they want to target all engineers or electrical engineers in particular, we can support with that. Engineering You're Hired is a week-long project-based challenge. Siemens have been one of the founding partners, so they've been in it from the start, and it's great to have them on board because it's a huge benefit to the students. It gives Siemens the opportunity to see all of the different departments within the Faculty of Engineering, see them work in multidisciplinary teams to solve real-world problems. A quarter of the problems this year were provided by Siemens to allow the students to understand what it's like to be an engineer with them.
When you look at what the university needs and look at what it can provide, the support and guidance that we get from Siemens really will stimulate tremendous output for the benefit of both parties.
With the key account manager in place, that gives us a great platform for building a strong, strategic, collaborative engagement now and in the future, and that's where it's going to be really exciting.